In this quick tutorial, you are going to learn how to design t-shirt in Canva. It is very simple. You don't need to have design skills to design your own t-shirt using Canva. I will walk you through step by step how to design a t-shirt in Canva with no skills. First, log into your Canva account and then click on the Canva logo to land Canva dashboard. So this is my Canva dashboard, and now click here in the template section and search t-shirt. T-shirt, and just click here, and you will find all of the available t-shirt templates for you to make your own design. You can either go from a blank template, or you can start from any of the ready-made template to make your design ready. But one thing you should remember, that some of the templates has crown icon. When you see this icon with a template, it means this template is only available for a Canva Pro user. If you are a Canva free user, then you won't need to use this template. You can only use the template which doesn't have a crown icon. So see, this template doesn't have a crown icon. So this is completely free for all users. Again, these three design are also available for all of the Canva user. It doesn't matter if you are a free user or you are a pro user. You can go with this design, you can go with this design, you can go with this design. Just one thing you should remember, that the crown icon tag templates are only available for the pro user. Other than that, you are good to go with any of the free templates. So let's say I want to start from my design here. Click here and click customize this template. So this is the template, and I can now customize it as per my own design. Let's say I want to replace this text as restart here. And let's say I want to change the color as well. So want to change this color, and with, let's say, this color or this color. And I can add something here in my design. Let's say restart. I want to add an icon here, graphics related to restart. So here you will find different types of restart related icons. Let's say I want to add this icon. So click it, and now change the color as per my design. So let's say I want to make my background color as this color, and everything is now good to go. So this way you can design a t-shirt in Canva from a template. Now I will show you how to design t-shirt in Canva from the sketch. First, click here, and this is your canvas. And now let's say I want to change the background color as white. Now let's say I want to get some of the t-shirt design inspiration from online. Go to Google and search modern t-shirt design Pinterest. You will get different types of design in from the Pinterest. So let's say I can get inspiration from this design. So I can just replicate this design. And this is my canvas, and I need to add a shape in here. So click element section and click background shape, and here you will find different types of background shape available for you. So again, you should remember, when you add any of the elements here, you need to make sure it is without the crown icon, because all of the elements available here with the crown icon, that means these elements are only available for the Canva Pro user. If you are a Canva free user, then these elements is not available for you. Just make sure it is without the crown icon. So let's say I want to add a similar type of shape. Let's say I want to add this shape here, or this shape. Just add it here in the canvas. And now I want to add a text in here in front of the shape. So click here to add a text, and now add your text trim. Make the size larger. I'm just making the adjustment, increasing it. So trim here, I can make it larger, I can make it smaller, and I can add another one text, so I need to increase it size. So let's say I want to change the font. Select it, and here you will find all of the available font for you. Again, you shouldn't select any font with the crown icon. Without crown icon, so see, these fonts are with crown icon. So these fonts are available for the pro user. But if you are a free user, you should avoid this type of font. So let's say I want to select this font, and now just see how it look like. And I want to change this font as well. I always prefer to make any of the design to keep it simple. The dream, I want to add another text. So adjust it. So let's say this is my final design. I can change the color as I can make it other color. I can change this text color as well. Let's say I want to change it as this color, and this text as well, this color. So once everything is done, now it's time to download our design. Just click here and click the download button and select the file as PNG, and now click the transparent background and select the file we want to download. So let's say I want to download this file, and now just click the download button and it will be downloaded. And I want to download this file as well. So click here, click the download button and select the file as PNG. Click here to make it transparent background, and now select the page one and click done, and now just click download, and both of the file has been downloaded as PNG. Now it's time to check our design how it look like. I will give a link in the comment to check the preview of your design, and now just upload your design here. So just click here to upload your design. Click here, and I am uploading my first design here. So see how it look like. I can change the background color of my t-shirt, so how it will be look like in different types of background. So I think it looks very nice. You can try different types of color here. To check your preview of the final design. Let's say now I want to test my second design. Uploading the second design here, and just test. Just change the background and check how it look like in different types of backgrounds. So I think this looks good. So that's it. This way you can design t-shirt in Canva. In this video I have shown you how to design t-shirt in Canva. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop in the comments, and I might pick your question in my next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life tech struggles, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck, confused, or just curious about a tool, ask her below. I will reply personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the comments. I've pinned some must visit tools and resources there. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.